Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of CarrotFarms Devlog. First things first, let's edit the tab config. First things first, I decided to make this sample text and then rename it to CarrotFarms and made the animation name logo and made some colors such as orange and a combination of orange and a different variation of orange. You'll see me editing some of it in this time lapse. And then I added a logo and I also added some information about the server. Then I made something for announcements on the server. Here's me actually testing it. Then after messing around for a little bit, I decided to get on a help menu. This would make it so players would be able to see the certain commands and more on the server. But anyways, I finished the help message and it looks pretty good. Now it's time to work on some GUIs. I decided to work on the rank up GUI since it will be used for later. I decided to take parts of the vanilla GUI example to make a reference or making some of the GUI. This is the current GUI, but soon I'll work on a new one. Now it's time to finish some of the auto start. This is going to be used so that the player will get all the items. I began working on an XP little handler, but this would be the hardest part in the whole project. Here's why. Basically, in this script, it should detect if the plant is a small plant or a fully grown plant, but it didn't work. Feeling as this XP handler will not work, I decided to save it for day 2. Before you do anything, this was actually a really easy fix. I just had to look at some docs. Turns out it's just wheat plant, or no, it's just wheat and then age equals and then the age number. I would have been so confused if I never found this out, so yeah. Using this info, however, I managed to make a little counter and it's not buggy unlike some servers. I was gonna make a check level thing so it would check what level you were and set up all the data, but seemed to be some issues with it. This is what I would call some code that's super long, so I had to shorten it a bit. After making the code a little bit shorter, I also added a percentage counter and a reset farming counter so I can test farming as much as I can. After all this, I decided to go to bed so we can continue working on the server. After waking up about a few hours later, I decided to get to work on shops. This could be used to purchase some items. After taking some of the rank up code and putting it inside of our shop, I discovered that it kind of works the same, so yeah. After inputting some more code, I discovered that I can just save the GUI slots into a giant variable, so that's what I did. For shop items, I decided to benefit the wiki that had a list of the crops, I think in order, but I'm not sure. Well, that was a very short part of this, but this is when I take another break. Anyways, back on track. So I decided to go back on the wiki to get the list again, and this is basically just me getting the items, putting them together, renaming them, setting the cost amount, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part and then we can go back. But basically I just imported everything in, everything saved, and we can begin working on some purchasing function. Before we continue, let me explain how this works. So first we get the item, basically potato. We get the amount, which is 16, then we get the cost, and then we get the player. Basically, I took a little break and I decided, yeah, I should get to work. So I redid some stuff, and basically I'm just working on a purchasing function. This is me editing it, so yeah. It's literally just me copying and pasting stuff over and over again, so. But I mean, it was just me copying and pasting purchase item over and over again, so it's not really that bad. Anyways, that's it for today's devlog. If you're considering joining the server, I'll create a video on how to join the server when the game's done. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.